this is what is unique about the Bowman Chem system is this piece that gets actually cemented right into the concrete wall. So it's a double bolt. So this gets embedded into the concrete, and there's bolts inside that actually come out, and that's how you're going to hang your window well on. You put a flat fender washer on, and then you would tighten that up. I can show you how that's going to look in 2 seconds. The other thing is there is a protective cap on all the tracking on the inside when they're being poured, and on the frames themselves there's steel reinforcement inside. So this is what it'll look like with that in place. It's easy, it's one-step process, and away you go.